Welcome to Exploring Classes. This is my video. Today we will discuss about the tangent and normal of the circle. So how to find the equation of the tangent and normal. So what is the tangent and what is the normal. We will discuss more detail about what tangent and normal. And this section of the this section of this part of the what circle that mostly depends on the what entrance and many other part, very important for the entrance also. Now we will discuss more about the what tangent and normal. So now look at what is the tangent. Here it is the circle. Here it is the circle at alpha beta. Here is the one of the fixed point alpha beta. There is a line is drawn that toss to alpha beta. A single point is there, that is the alpha beta, and this is known as what tangent. So tangent, how many points that tangent toss to the circle? There is the only one point. At the point of the contact, here it is the point of the contact to the circle and the tangent. A perpendicular is drawn, that perpendicular passes through the what center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. Okay, this is the normal. Always you will get the normal to the circle that should passes through the center of the circle. At any point on the circle, when you draw the what normal, then the normal passes through the center of the circle. This is the important point to be noted. Always the normal passes through normal of the circle passes through the what center of the circle. At any point on the circle, then you get this one. Here it is the equation of the circle. If equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to r square at point alpha beta, then what is the equation of the what tangent? The tangent equation can be written, instead of what x square you put what x into alpha. This value for the x variable. So x, instead of x square you put x into alpha. Instead of what y square you put y into beta. This is okay. So the equation of the tangent can be reduced to, instead of what x square you put x into alpha, instead of y square you put what y into beta, and r square you put r square. This is the what equation of the tangent. So equation of the tangent is obtained at alpha beta point, then you will get this type of equation. So equation of the normal can be represented by alpha into y value equal to beta into x value. If the equation of the circle is this form, then equation of normal and tangent can be represented by this one. So now we will get one of the equation, one of the problem I will do related to this. Suppose you will get here the point of contact to the circle. Here it is the circle. Here is the point of the contact. A tangent, this is the tangent. Here point of the tangent, the contact is 2, 3 point. Here equation of the circle is x square plus y square equal to 25. This is the equation of the circle given, and the point of contact is this one. Then tangent equation can be Tangent equation can be represented by, here look at x into alpha beta means these are the alpha beta. So instead of what alpha beta you put what 2 and 3, then you get what x alpha means x into 2 plus y beta means 3 is equal to r square means 25 we put. So your equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 25. This is the equation of the tangent. Okay. The equation of the tangent is obtained by putting what in this way directly. Okay, if the equation is this one, then you directly put. Okay, and the equation of the normal can be represented by alpha y equal to beta x. This is equation of the what normal. So equation of the normal in this case, in the same case, equation of the normal can be represented by normal equation. What given? Alpha equal to 2, 2y equal to 3x. This is the equation of the what normal. Okay, equation of the normal can be represented by 2x equal to 2y equal to 3x. and equation of the tangent equal to this one. These are the two what format. Now the equation, if the equation of the circle is in this form, this is the general equation. If the equation of the what circle is given x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then what happens at alpha beta point, again at alpha beta point, then what is the equation of the tangent and normal? Look at, instead of x square you take what, x into alpha. Instead of y square can be replaced by y into beta, and alpha beta are given. I just discussed this one. Instead of x can be represented by or replaced by x plus alpha by 2, and y can be replaced by y plus beta by 2. So on putting these values in this equation, x square can be replaced by x into alpha, so it is x into alpha. This is y into beta. 2 into g into x equal to what, x plus alpha by 2, and 2 into f into y equal to y plus beta by 2, 2 to cot, and remain what, x alpha plus y beta plus g into x plus alpha plus f into y plus beta plus c equal to 0. And this is the equation of the what, tangent. So equation of the normal can be represented by beta plus f into x minus alpha plus g into y minus alpha f plus g beta equal to 0. This is the what equation of the normal when the equation is given what, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Okay, so let us discuss one more example of second case. So let us discuss about one more example of the second type. Obtain the equation of the tangent and normal to the circle. Circle is given what, x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y plus 3 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 2x plus 3y plus 3 equal to 0 at point minus 1, 2. So here it is the equation in a general form given. So what type of equation is given? In general form equation. This is the general form equation. And point alpha beta or x1 y1, whatever you take, what this is the point x1 y1 equal to minus 1 minus 2. And the by comparing the general formula, 2g equal to minus 2 and g equal to what, minus 1. 2f equal to what, 3 and f equal to 3 by 2. g of value and x1 y1 value given. So look at, for getting the equation of the what, tangent, we have to take what, x square equal to x into x1. So x1 value equal to what, minus 1, x into minus 1, x into minus 1. So instead of y square you put y into y1. So this equal to what, 2y. Instead of y, x you put what, x minus x plus x1 by 2. X plus x1 means here, instead of, I have just already written the formula, x plus x1 by 2. Instead of y you put y plus y2 by y1 by 2. So all these values you take along this equation. X square you put what, x into x1 minus x, and y square you put what, 2y, and x you put what, 2 into x minus x, x minus 1 by 2, and y you put what, y plus 2 by 2, and 3 you put simply 3. Here LCM is what, 2 is the LCM, and simplification you will get what, 4x minus 7y minus 14 equal to 0. Unlike your equation of the normal can be written. This is the equation of the normal. x1 y1 all are given. Here formula is y1 plus f into x minus x1 plus g into y minus x1 f plus y1 g equal to 0. So here x1 y1 and gf values are given. You put all these values here, y1 this 2 and f this 3 by 2, into x you put x, x1 plus g, x1 equal to minus 1 plus g equal to minus 1. So into y, x1 minus 1 into what, 3 by 2 for f, and 2 into minus 1 for g equal to what, 0. On simplification they will get what, 7x plus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. And these are the equation of the tangent and normal when the equation of the circle is given in a general form. So now we will discuss the length of the tangent from an external point. Okay. So from an external point, how to find the length of the tangent? So now let us discuss about the length of the tangent drawn from an external point. Here the external point is given. Let's say the external point, coordinate of external point is x1, y1, and the tangent is pt is the tangent, and this is the circle, and t is the point of contact, and pt is the length of tangent. Up to this mark we have to find pt, p to t, this length we have to find. This is the length of tangent from an external point. Okay, here also you look at another point, you have to remember the length of tangent, this equal to this. If you take this and q also, pt and pq both are equal because the length of the tangent drawn from an external point both are equal. This equal to this. You have already read in the 10th class or something. I don't know this one. Remember the number of the what theorems. Here you look at here the pt is the length of the what tangent can be represented by. So instead of what? At what point at x1, y1? Instead of x and y, you take what x1 and y1 and put it and find the square root. Means x square is there, you put what x1 square, y1 is there, then y1 square. These are the given point. So here 2gx means 2g into x1, 2f into y1 plus c and root over that. This is the length of the tangent. By application of this formula, you directly find. Okay. So here it is the one of the what example you look at. If an external point, this external point is but 1, 2 given, and the circle equation given. This is the equation of the circle. X square plus y square minus 4x plus 5y plus 7 equal to 0. This is, for example, this is the circle given. The length of the tangent can be represented by, instead of what x and y, you put 1 and 2, then you get what 1 square plus 2 square minus 4 into 1 plus 5 into 2 plus 7. So this is root 18 equal to 3 root 2. This is the length of the tangent. In this way you find the length of the tangent. Okay. So now we will discuss another condition. So what is the condition? Condition that a line y equal to mx plus c, y equal to mx plus c tossed to the circle. So there are so many straight lines are there. Suppose you look at, here is the concept. Suppose here it is the one of the circle given. So when you draw a line, suppose you consider there are 3 lines, y equal to mx plus c, and this y equal to mx plus c, and this y equal to mx plus c. So these 3 lines whose m represent the slope of the line, but if the slope of the line are equal, then they are unique line or they parallel to each other. But I have represented this one. 3 lines are represented, one intersect to the circle. That is what second to the circle. And this line, you know, this is the second to the circle. And this is the tangent to the circle. And this lies outside to the circle. So at what condition a line y equal mx plus c second to the circle? At what condition it is tangent to the circle? At what condition the line lies outside to the circle? With respect to one of the circle given, here it is the condition that a line y equal mx plus c tossed to the circle. First of all, we will discuss at what condition it tossed to the circle. This middle tangent. Okay, tossed to the circle means it is the tangent to the circle. At what condition it is tangent to the circle? A circle with radius r. The circle radius is given, or otherwise you find the radius of the circle. If c square equal to r square plus r square into 1 plus m square. So what is the c? C is the what? Y intercept of the given line. So y intercept of the given line. M is the slope of the given line, and r is the radius of the what? Circle. If the relation satisfies c square equal to r square into 1 plus m square, then what happens? This circle, this straight line tossed to the what? Circle. Okay, tossed to the circle or tangent to the circle. You look at if c square is less than r square into 1 plus m square, the line is the second. This is the line is the second. C square less than r square into 1 plus m square. If c square greater than r square into 1 plus m square, then the line lies outside. This is the third condition. Okay, line lies outside. So one of the equation we will solve by using this. You will get. So what type of question will come? One of the question from entrance you will get a line y equal to 3x plus k touch to the circle x square plus y square equal to 9. Then what is the value of k? So what is the value of k? So in this case, how to find, you will get. Okay, comparing this y equal to mx plus c, mx plus c. Comparing this y equal to mx plus c, we have what? Look at, comparing this y equal to mx plus c, y equal to y, m equal to 3 and c equal to k, c equal to k. So next one, again here the equation of the circle is given y square x square plus y square equal to r square. So r square equal to here 9 is given, r square equal to 9 given, then r equal to 3. So r value also came. So now put it in this format. Already given, it is tossed to the circle means it is the tangent. So it satisfies what? C square equal to r square into 1 plus m square. So instead of c square you put but k square, r square r equal to 3, 3 square, 1 plus m square, m equal to what? 3, 3 square. So this is what? 9 into 10. This is 90. So k equal to 3 root 10. This is k root 10. You can also write the plus or minus k root 10 because you have to find the square root of this. Okay. Understood or not? If the line touch, at what condition it is second? If c square less than r square into 1 plus m square. At what condition it is what? The line lies outside the circle when c square is greater than r square into 1 plus m square. This is the very important condition to you. One of the question will come in entrance. Okay. So let us discuss more about the circle.